Okay, so this is going to be a really long video. So as you can see from this Excel, I had a pretty bad month here, and it's the second month out of 3 months, which makes this experience a really bad experience from the trading view. But on the other hand, it's also a good experience in order to make, in order to learn from my mistakes, and in order to improve my trading strategy. So what we are going to do in this video is going to discuss all the trades that I made, see where I made mistakes, see what can I improve, and try not to make those mistakes ever again. I know for a fact that I made many mistakes, because otherwise I cannot explain this drawdown in respect of these trades here that brought me from a 5,000 account to a plus 8%. Whereas in these 3 months I made a minus 8.6%. Remember to count minus 1% more. If you don't know what I mean, go and watch the last video. So the analysis will be structured with a first look at the chart and see if without stop loss I would have gone on profit. Not that you should avoid using the stop loss, but it's a nice way to see if overall the strategy works, and if the strategy makes sense. So if I could in a way predict where the price could go, and we will start from there. Then we will see it and close the entry points, and see the stop loss also, to see where could I move the stop loss, and if the entry point is the right point. But the stop loss shouldn't be moved, I think. But it's more focused. I will focus more on the entry point. And yeah, so let's start to see if these positions would have gone on profit without stop loss. And yeah, so let's start from this one, Euro Aussie. So as I said many times, I always do an analysis on TradingView before I make any trade. That helps me by comparing with others, but also to keep a track of my positions, and keep a track of the analysis that I make. So let's start with Euro Aussie, and let's see what happened. So as you see here, I found on the weekly a range of resistance because of these highs here and this one here. Let's see what happened with the position. Okay, so overall the price went down. It broke up before going down. It really broke up, not over this peak here, but this peak is kind of useless, because it went all the way up here and down so fast, so I wouldn't count that. But still, the price went down, and that's the main thing. So the price actually went down. So I will just mark here on a paper if the price went down or not. Okay, so seeing that the price went down overall, we can start looking at the entry points and see what went wrong here. So let's go on the chart here, on the actual chart. Oops. Okay, let's try to go back to 2nd September. Okay, so let's open Ichimoku and see a little bit. So I wanted to enter on the break of this Kijun here, this one. I have the charts on the other screen, the analysis on the other screen. So yeah, I wanted to enter on the break of this Kijun here, but I didn't want to wait for any breaks of a new low. I see here that I just saw this candle here, so I didn't see this one. Okay. So yeah, of course the entry point is it's not absolutely okay. I cannot base the entry point on the Kijun. That's a major mistake. I usually put the entry point, sorry, on the break of a previous low. But actually we don't see here on the hourly chart any new low before this one. So you cannot really count this one here as a new low, this one here as a new low, this one here as a new low, because otherwise you would count this one as a new low and this one as a new low, and everything at that point would be a new low, sorry, a previous low. But usually this one could be a previous low, but maybe it's better if we go on the 15 minutes chart to see. Okay, so we cannot go that back with the 15 minutes chart. So actually I could have entered here. I could have tried to enter here, but then the take profit, the first take profit was around here, I see. Yeah, yes, should be around here. Yeah, it's around here. So around here. So let's see the risk reward ratio. No, it's absolutely not good. So yeah, this position shouldn't have been taken at this point. The position should have been taken at this point here, at the break of this low here, because we have a high here, a low here, a lower high here, and a lower low here. So the position could have entered here on the break of the Senkobi, and it would have been fine with a 1 to 2 risk reward. It would have gone on stop loss, but that's fine. That's not a problem, of course, because then you go here and you see a fantastic, not a fantastic, but a kind of fantastic, strange head and shoulders here. It's bad, I know, it's not a perfect head and shoulders, but still it's fine as a entry signal. It's not, of course, a signal that I would trade on its own, but it's a great signal to enter if you have all the other technical signals that tell you to go down. So this would have been a great opportunity to enter, of course, on the break of this neckline here, and over the head here with the stop loss, and of course going down to the first take profit that I saw. This would have been a 1 to 5 risk reward. So yeah, and it would have gone on profit. So yeah, that's brilliant and that's perfect. So as you see here, I would have had a long time. Yes, of course I would have moved the stop loss. So let me try to reconstruct the scenario. So I would have moved the stop loss after the break of these lows here with this one, at least on this level here. Then going down, breaking this one, 2, okay, still there. Breaking again. Okay. Okay, yeah, I would have moved the stop loss at least here. Okay, tack, tack, tack. It goes up, it goes down again. 1, 2. This is a new break. I would have moved the stop loss here. Okay, a new break. 1, 2 is here. Okay, I would have took this one here probably. So around here. Okay, this would have been a 1%. Okay, so this is great. This is okay. Of course, I could have traded on range here, but it all depends on the also on the risk reward, because if the risk reward is too wide, of course the price takes more time to get to the take profit, and also the price takes so much how can I say, effort to go to the take profit. Let's see just the keygen here quickly. Okay, no, let's go back. I can see the level here. Sorry, where we were. Yeah, okay. So the level is 157,315. 157. Yeah, so it's that one there. Okay. Yeah. It's that one there. It's that one there. Yeah, so I could have traded in range. Of course, I cannot go back with my mind and see what I would have done if I saw these head and shoulders here. But let's first see where the head and shoulders. So if I didn't see this move here. Okay. Yeah, so this is late at night. So I wouldn't have probably see that one, but I think it's sure I would have entered on the retracement. So here or here on the retracement. So I would have 100% took this position. Yes, I would have 100% took this position if I saw these head and shoulders, of course. And I would have placed the take profit, since it's so wide, 1 to 5 risk reward. I wouldn't have probably took that take profit because it's too wide, and again it takes so much effort for the price to go down there. But I think I would have took these lows here, or maybe this one. Yeah, maybe this one. Yeah, probably. Yeah, probably this one here. Yeah, probably this one here. Like if it was a ABCD pattern. Yeah, I would have traded it like an ABCD pattern. Yeah, probably. Yes. Yeah. So that would have gone on take profit, and that would have been fine. Yeah. Yeah, so the main thing is I need to wait for a pattern in order to enter. Whereas I mostly try to enter on the break of a keygen or on the break of a previous low. Okay, so yeah, I could have entered on the on the retracement there and trade it like an ABCD pattern. Yes. And maybe try to re-enter again. I don't know. I don't know. Because if you see here, like this one breaks the low here, but first it doesn't make any pattern, but second it's so wide here. It's so wide. The range, it's too big. The stop loss would have been too big. Same thing here. Same thing here. Yeah. Yes. And then the price started to move down, all the way down. And yeah, you see here, this is also a pattern, kind of a pattern that I like. You can enter on the break here and wait for a retracement here. So yeah, the position would have gone on take profit. I don't think I would have made another trade because I tend not to make more than one trade if I go on profit. I tend to leave the position like that and never trade again the range. So this range here, but that would have been fine. That would have been a 1.73, so a minus 1% and a plus 1.73%. Okay. So yeah, let's go on a second position. Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD is here. No, this is November, sorry. So this is Aussie CAD. Okay, let's copy this. And let's go here. Okay, so let's see if the position would have gone on take profit. So the take profit is around here. I know it for sure because I tend to go on the Kijun weekly or around there. So let's see. Okay, so the position would have not go on take profit. So we can cancel this. I don't want to see this one, or I could see it. Well, I could see it to see if the signals. Well, the signals were surely on the upward side because you see here the candle. So yeah, again, the signal. Yeah, I don't want to see this. Yeah, I will see this here. I will see this with this trade here. Yeah, I will see this with this trade here. So I don't want to see this. Okay, let's go on New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, which is the 5th September more or less. New Zealand dollar USD, New Zealand CAD. No, not that one. Okay, this one. Okay, so the take profit is around here. Let's see. Well, I can even see where the take profit is. So the first take profit is on the Senko B daily. So it's around. Where is it? Here? Yeah, around the Kijun weekly. Okay, let's see. Boom. Okay, no, this one no. So yeah, this one, no, this one couldn't have gone on take profit. So let's see here, this is a minus 2%, and okay, it's -1%, okay, and yeah, this is a -1%. Okay, so let's try to see here the signals. Yeah, let's try this one. So which one is that? Where is that? That is on 1st October. No. Wait. Okay, yeah, I did the analysis on the 27 August. No, what am I saying? I did the analysis on September 3rd. Yeah. September 3rd. September 3rd here. Okay. And the range is well, the range is about here, minus 80, about 86 here. Yeah. Yeah, so this is where I could have entered, where I have entered. So yeah, this is a pretty straightforward signals of entry. Yes, this is a pretty straightforward signal. Yeah. This is a trend line. The price breaks the trend line. It goes up, and yeah, this is a straightforward signal. I couldn't have done anything. This is, yeah, I don't want to say it's perfect, but it's what I would have done. There is nothing bad with this. There is a double top here. Where is that? Where is the double top? Is this one here? Yeah, it's this one here. Okay, I wanted to enter on the break of this double top, which is fine. It's still the break of the trend line. I entered here probably, so it's fine. I mean, yeah, this position is of course on stop loss, and it's fine if it's on stop loss. Yeah, it's completely okay. Yes, it is. Yeah, so this one is also on stop loss, and we have here another position, so we will see this one. I want to see this one because this one is of course on profit. You see here, this one is of course on profit. So let's see there. So of course, if the price breaks the supporting range or the resistance range, it's of course that I can no longer trust that range, and of course I have to count myself out of the position. But the thing of the strategy is that I certainly have a low win rate. That's certain. I don't expect to have a win rate higher than 50%. Probably is around 40-45%. So I don't expect it to be more than 50%, but I expect from the strategy to give me high risk reward ratios at least around 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, around there. Of course, as I said previously, if it's 1 to 5 risk reward, it's too much. It's too much. I want to exit at least for a 50%, at least for a 50% of the strategy. So as I said previously, yeah, because as I said, the price needs so much momentum, so much effort to make so much effort to go down or up to those levels where the risk reward would be 1 to 5, and I mean, I cannot ask the price to go there before touching my stop loss. So yeah, I don't expect it to be 1 to 5. Sometimes it could be 1 to 4 maybe, but yeah, generally 1 to 2, 1 to 3, it would be great. Of course, below 1 to 1.5, it's untradeable for me. So yeah, let's go on another pair. We see here Euro Aussie, 18th September. Okay, yeah, that's the second one. Yeah, I think that's the second one. Yeah, let me see the comments. Maybe that's not the same one. Let me see. Euro Aussie. No, I think it's the same one. Yeah, I think it's from the same. Yeah. No, but it's not the same. How can it be the same? Oh yeah, it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, it's 100% the same. I'm seeing on here on the Excel, sorry. Yeah, it's the same. Okay, yeah, it's the same analysis. So it's just another entry point. But yeah, I don't see here, unfortunately. I didn't make the shot on the screenshot on where I entered. I entered on. Let me see. Okay, I entered on. Wait, Euro Aussie. Okay. I entered on September 12 at a price of 162.724. Yeah, 12. Okay, no. Why I entered here? 162.724. 724. Yeah, I entered here. Why I entered here? So I saw these head and shoulders. Okay. With a stop loss on 163.565. 565. Okay. 163.565. Okay, yeah. Why didn't go on profit? Why didn't I go on profit? Okay, I went on loss of 15 francs on 163. 163. Why did I move the stop loss there? What is that? No, what is that? Okay, because I moved here, but that's not the second one, that's the first one, so I should have moved the stop loss here. Where was the take profit? So the take profit was on 150. 157.80. Yeah, 157.80. 157.80. Okay, yeah, it's all the way down there. But still, I could have gone at least on profit of something. Yeah, I think this is the time where I moved the stop loss accidentally, like without thinking about the strategy. So it's about recognizing lows and highs, I think, because I mean this is not a low. How can you say that this is a low? I mean this is not even a 38.2 Fibonacci, really? Yeah, this is this might be counted as a low, this one here, but this one no. So this is the first high here, and this is the second one. So I should have moved the stop loss here. Yeah. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, 100%. Yeah. Yeah. Plus, I have to be more careful with the take profits. Also with the take profits. Because even if I kept the stop loss here, okay? Let's say I kept the stop loss here. Let's say that. And I went on profit here. I mean, this is a 1 to 6 risk reward. This is a 6%. Yeah, it's a 6%. But the swap would be incredibly high. I mean, it would be 1%. The swap would be 1%. Yeah. No, okay, no. Not like 50 francs, no. But I don't know. I don't know. I have to be more careful. I could have gone here, or I don't know, on the Kijun Daily. I don't know. How is the Kijun Daily? Let's see. Let's see here. How's the Kijun Daily? Euro. Where is that? Euro Aussie. Here. So the Kijun Daily is here. No, this is the weekly, sorry. No, this is the daily actually. Yeah, this is the daily. So 158,500. More or less 115. Let's say 159. Let's say 159. 150, yeah. Yeah, you see, 159 is great. 159 is great. 159 is great. So maybe, let's see what would have happened without moving the stop. So without moving the stop loss, and yeah, and seeing this one, it would have gone on profit of, I mean, a crazy amount here. Well, I have to see because it's hard to say now. It's hard to say. Well, I would have gone on stop loss here. Yeah. Yeah, 100%. Yes. So let's keep it at 1.73. Let's keep it at 1.73. Let's keep it at 1.73. Yeah, let's keep it on 1. Okay. So this doesn't count here. So let's go on Aussie Cat again. What is that? This is February, my god. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah, it has to be this one. Okay. Yeah, okay, so it's this position here, I think. It says 7933 7933 7933 7933. No, it's not this one. But it's a profit position. Why I went on profit there? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see here. Let's see here. What's the... Okay, New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. But where's the other one? Oh, not the Aussie Cat. Oops. No, where? Wait. Oh yeah. Okay. Aussie Cat. Aussie Cat. Aussie Cat. Okay. Aussie Cat. September. Here. Okay, this is the one that I didn't analyze. 9.3. Let me see the picture. Let me see the picture. So you see here, I wanted to enter on the break of the Senkobi, but it's not fine. I mean, you have to wait at least here. Yeah, you have to wait at least there. Okay. So this is... I cannot find the point here, the entry point. Wait. Okay, so the entry point is... okay, down there. It's here? Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah. It's open. Oh, really? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. So this is the entry point. Okay, so the entry point didn't break. And where did I enter then? On 0.93346 3346 here. Okay. Why did I enter that? No, maybe under 15 minutes. but I could have waited. I could have waited so much here. Could have waited for this break here. Yeah, I could have waited for this break here and then the retracement. Placed a long position here with a stop loss here and go up here, because I remember that I went out on this week here. So I have to wait, I have to be patient. Yes. But also this entry point is not bad. Or this one here, it's not bad. But yeah. Yeah, I think I have to start working again with stop orders. Yeah, I know that I said that I shouldn't use stop orders, but I see here that in many cases, since I'm in Europe, the time is not, it's not good for me. Yeah, the time is not good for me. Maybe using the ATR here. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't even know why I entered there. And where is the stop loss? Where's the stop loss? Why did I enter here? And where is the stop loss? How did I get just a 1% here? So the stop is 92705. 92705. So it's here. Yeah, the stop loss is here. And I went out on 94,867. 94,867. 867. Yeah, here. And that's just that. What the heck happened here? 093346. The take profit was on 094860, and the stop loss was 0.92705. This is it. What happened here? Okay, it's a 0.45 position. Yeah. Yeah, I think I remember this position. Something happened here. I don't know what happened. I don't remember exactly what happened. Yeah, I think this is the position where I wanted to enter, like with a strange order, and I couldn't get the second order. Yes. Yeah, this would have been a 2% position. Yes, this would have been a 2% position. Yeah, but I have to use the 15 minutes again on this position on the first 3 months of the year, February and whatever. I use the 15 minutes, and I should try to use the 15 minutes again, because you see here these candles, they are pretty nice to see on the 15 minutes. You see a lot clear the thing that happens on the 1 hour chart. So I should try to use that one. Yeah, I should try to use the 15 minutes. But let's go on Aussie CAD and mark the Aussie CAD as a 2%. Aussie CAD, yes, 2% plus 2%. Okay, yeah, okay. So yeah, I should try at 2.3%. Let's be honest. No, let's go at 2%. Let's go at 2%. So this one, GBP JPY. GBP JPY. It's on this. GBP JPY. Is this one? No. No, this is March. This is March, April, May, September. There we go. Okay, let's see. So again, this is, you see here, it broke here, but the range is still there. Yeah, the range is still there. Yes. Yeah. Let me see. I'm watching the analysis here to find it actually. Okay, so it's this one. So you see here, I wanted to enter on the break, which is fine. It's fine, it's okay. But I saw that one. I saw that wasn't continuing. Okay, I wanted to enter on the retracement, and that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's okay. This one stop loss. Okay, this one stop loss. So GBP JPY, it's okay. Yes, it's fine. So this is actually okay. Oh, so this is linked. Okay, so it's a -1%, and that's fine, and that's fine. Okay, and that's fine. Yeah, and that's fine. And then I saw this move here. Okay. Yeah, and I had to wait this break here. This is too wide. I could have never traded that. Because yeah, the take profit is on the Senko B daily. So let's keep that in mind. Let's keep that in mind. I could have tried to enter here, but no, because we have to break. No, actually, because because Ichimoku is lateral there. I cannot enter on the Ichimoku like that. I could have entered. Yeah, I could. Yeah, I still would have entered here if still would have entered. But maybe with the stop loss, yeah, the stop loss should be always on the highest point that I see, and that would have give me a 1 to 2. Yeah, I should have made the position like that. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's great. I mean, that's great. That's great. Yeah, that's great. Yes, that's great. Yeah, that's a GBP JPY with a 2 point. Yeah, let's say just a 2%. Let's say just a 2%. Let's say just a 2%. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, you see here that would have been simpler to enter without a stop order. No, actually not. Yeah, actually yes. No, actually no. No. I have to play stop orders. Yeah, I have to play stop orders. Yeah, I have to play stop. I mean, I have to. I don't want to, but I have to. I would have entered here actually. I would have entered here. Yeah, I would have entered. No, actually not. Actually not, because it's too low. The risk reward is too low. I would have entered. Yeah, I would have entered here. But actually, I don't have to. I mean, I should base my strategy on price action. First of all, Ichimoku is just the tool that I use mainly on the daily and the 4 hours and the weekly chart, not on the hourly chart. Not on the hourly chart. So yeah, this is the second one. So yeah, the overall problem is the entry point. Yeah, I think the overall problem is the entry point and also the stop loss. I mean, yeah. Yes, because I think I focused a little bit too much on the not on the risk, but on the take profit. Yeah, so I have to focus more on the entry point. Let's keep the gold here. Yeah, I don't see here GBP JPY again. Let's see the image. Yeah, there we go. That's a perfect position. Well, not a perfect position, I would say, but yeah, that's not a perfect position. Cause I don't. Well, you can enter under this Secco, but that's fine. Because you also have a high here. Yeah, but I mean, you could have entered on the other place there. Plus, there's the resistance. What made you think that? I mean, the fuck? Yeah. I should have waited. And entered on the other. I mean, I think I'm also afraid of not taking the chance. I mean, the fear of missing out. Yeah, that's the that's the fear of missing out. That's certainly the fear of missing out. Yeah, that's certainly the fear of me. Yeah, so let's skip this one and let's go on USD JPY. Yeah, let's go on USD JPY. Yeah, but it was this first here in the euro. Let's skip all those ones because they seem to be fine. Yeah, let's see what went wrong here. Yeah, let's see what went wrong here, because something went wrong here. Yeah, so for now I had to wait. First of all, I have to wait for the entry point. Yeah, I have to wait for the entry point. I have to start moving the stop loss when actually there is momentum on my side and not just when the price is lateralizing. And third, what was the third one? Yeah, let's use a little bit less Ichimoku. Let's use a little bit less Ichimoku on the hourly chart. Yeah. And just be patient. Just be patient. I also, yeah. No, yeah. Okay. So yeah, let's see what went wrong here. Let's see. USD, Swiss franc, USD, Swiss franc, USD, Swiss franc. This is November, this September, October. I don't want to see October. October went fine. Well, not that fine because it's just 4 positions, but it went okay. It's this one, I think. It should be this one. Okay, you see here. The position is, let's say, not bad. It could go down. Yes. But what happened? Yeah, let's see what happened. Okay, let's see what happened. Let's copy this. Let's paste it here and go. There we go. So USD, Swiss franc. Let's go back to what's that? 29th October. 29th October. 29th. And so I entered like, yeah, you see here, just based on Ichimoku. There was, okay, let's explain this. So where is that? That's, yeah, that should be here. Okay, yeah, it's this one. Yeah, okay. So there is the support, made by these levels here. Okay, the price bounces on the support. What do? I enter here on the support, short. Is that something that should be done? No, it's not. And this is the fear of missing out. I know it. This is psychologically, no, this is a psychological error. I should have made these errors. I'm trading for 1 year. I've been trading, and I cannot make these errors. I'm more than 1 year. I cannot make these errors. These are basic errors that should have been made by me. Yeah. Yeah, you see, this is the previous discussion that we had, entering on the break of a previous low, which could be this one or this one. Well, I wouldn't count this one as a new low. It's just 2 candles. This one. This is one impulse. Yeah, this is one impulse. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one, fifth one. Yeah. But still, you cannot enter here because there is this one here. So this the 7th one. Okay. So okay, you see here. There is no break that brought to a new low and a new high, except for this one. But I could have not entered here because there is this one here, I don't like it. I just don't like it. I would not have entered there. But I could have entered here with the stop order. I have to use the stop orders again. Yeah, I should have used the stop orders, but I have to use it consciously. I mean, with consciousness, because I mean, yeah, because there are two. Okay, there are two there are two entries. The entry on the stop and the entry on the retracement, right? Okay, so the entry on the stop, it's more aggressive, of course, but if you don't have time, what do you want to do? And there is the entry on the retracement, which is more, yeah. But also, if you enter on the retracement, I mean, you still have to be there and watch the closing candle, because there is, I mean, there is no entering on the retracement doesn't really make sense if you don't watch the closing candle, because you don't see if the line that you wanted the price to break broke again on the other side. So actually there is no difference on entering on the stop and entering on the retracement if you are not there to see it. Yeah, right. So yeah, I mean, that's just a consideration that I'm making. I don't know if it's true. I of course don't know if it's true. Yeah, that's something that I should study. The entry point. Yeah, that's something that I should study. Yes, because you see, this entry point is fine with this resistance, with this break, and that's fine. I mean, if you don't have time, you just go there. I mean, look at this. This is a good break. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and another. And just go there. And just, yeah. That would have been fine. That would have been fine. Yes, that would have been fine. So yeah, I'm too aggressive sometimes, and too how can I say, yeah. Let's see again Aussie CAD. Okay, this is okay. This is a good entry point. This is a really good entry point. I want to see what happened, because that's a really good entry point. It's this one, right? Is it this one? Yeah, it's certainly this one. Yeah. It happened. What happened? I mean, it happened that I went on stop loss, but that's fine. Oh, sorry, that's fine. I mean, that's fine. That's a perfect stop loss. That's a great stop. That's okay. I mean, I'm not angry if I go on stop loss there. I'm absolutely not angry if I go on stop loss there. Absolutely. Yeah, don't look at this one. Yeah, absolutely. That's absolutely fine. I mean, yeah, that's absolutely fine. Of course, there's the Kijun weekly. I shouldn't have not entered because I broke the Kijun weekly, which is on my strategies. If you break the Kijun, you don't enter short, of course. But I'm stupid there. But the entry point is fine. The entry point is good. These types of entry points are good. The thing is, I broke the Kijun. Never enter on the break of the Kijun. So yeah. Yes. Aussie Swiss franc. Aussie Swiss franc. Let's go. Aussie Swiss franc. as a Swiss franc. So let's see what happened here. Okay, okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Where is that? Okay. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. So where could I have entered? Okay, let's see. Yeah, this entry point is it's fine. This entry point here is yes. This entry point here is fine. But again, Kijun Weekly, I mean, why did you enter? Why? Well, there is the resisting range, okay? There is the resisting range, but why do you use Ichimoku then if you... No, don't use Ichimoku if you go like that. I mean, of course, if you break the Kijun, it doesn't mean that you're going to go upwards, but it's a strong signal that the price is gaining strength on the upwards side. So yeah, that's basically it. Could have entered here. Yes, could have entered here. And waited to go to the Kijun here on this occasion. Okay. Yeah, but it's the risk reward is too low. Yes. Yeah, I mean this is another position that I shouldn't have made because of the Kijun weekly. Euro Aussie. Let's see Euro Aussie again. Euro Aussie. Okay, this is okay. Yeah, I remember this one. I think. Let's. Okay, yeah. We could have not break that one, but then we went down. Yes, I remember this one. I was on profit here, but then the price moved down. So this is actually fine. This is a great position. Yes, this is a great position. A great trade. Better. 156670. 156667. 156667. 667. No, 7. Here. Okay, yeah. On the break of that one, yeah, that's fine. And the stop loss is here. No, it's here. And where's the take profit? Sorry. Okay, yeah. But it's a 2.37 risk reward. The stop loss is 1. Okay, yes. Let's go like this. 1.5667. Whoops. Profit is 158 140 and 1567605. Okay. Okay. So I think I watched this on 15 minutes. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Yeah. What's the yeah, because there were these ones. Yeah, there were this one. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, but that's fine. I mean, this position is fine. This position is it's okay. So the thing is, avoiding positions is the problem. Not going to make not making money. The problem is avoiding positions, avoiding bad positions. Yeah. Problem is avoiding bad positions, because I can have a bad month. That's fine if I have a bad month. Yes. Yeah. So let's stop here. We have seen enough. I don't think I'm going to watch all the remaining positions. There are 3. I could watch them, but I don't want to. But I'm going to improve the entry point 100%, and I want to try another money management strategy. Yeah, I would like to try another money management strategy. Yes. So yeah, what I'm going to do is this. So for now, there are not going to be any more videos. I stop here with this journey, with this experience. Oh, sorry, with this experience. I stop here. It's fine for me. It's enough. So as you see, failing, it's okay. We all fail. You can fail also if you want to fail. We can fail happily together, and we can start again. Starting again next year. I'm not sure in which language I'm going to make these videos. Maybe in English, maybe in Italian. I'm not sure. But certainly I will make more videos. So let me keep you updated. I have announcements to make if everything goes how I say it should go. But yeah, mainly okay, at least we will do another journey like this for a year. So a long year journey this time, not a 3 months, a year long journey, in order to make this money that I want to make. But what it is, it's just for fun. Yeah, it's mainly just for fun. With another money management strategy, I will try to keep 2 journals. One with the standard money management, this one here, so a 1% risk for every trade, and then another money management that consists on opening the position with a 50% of the risk, so a 0.5, and then adding another 50% of the risk when the position starts to go on my side, so when it breaks another high. This should avoid the times, because on this strategy it happens a lot of the times that you enter and you go on stop loss right away, like maybe 3 hours you go on stop loss, and that's a stop loss of 0.5%. so we will try that, keeping also a journal with the standard money management strategy, so that we can compare over a year long time. So yeah, I'll see you the next year. Happy New Year, Happy Christmas or Merry Christmas, I don't know. So yeah, we'll see each other. Sorry for this video that wasn't without a webcam, but since it's so long, I cannot make the video with the webcam. So yeah, we will see each other the next video and the next year at this point, or maybe I will make an announcement. I don't know. Just subscribe, and you will be kept updated. So yeah, have fun. Bye.